It's giving drag race music.
Oo nga, no?
Parang ililipstick na mga drag queens natin. Parang Afrobeat siya. Ayun, what did you think?
Super sayang.
Ganon?
Atake!
Ganon, may tinatawagan.
Wow! Dance break! Dance break! Dance break! Ayun, I think it would really help kung tag-invite sila ng other Filipina queens like Marina Summers, Diamante, si Michelle D na nambubugbog.
Is it
Di ba? Filipina queen. Oo, parang sila ni Rian Ramos.
Allegedly happy.
Okay, let's not... Hey guys! Welcome back to the 2Gay BFFs channel. I'm si Jim Matthew.
And I'm MC JMCJ.
And today, we're gonna fight. Wow.
Fight for
The crown, the Filipina queen. And we're gonna dissect.
you. Because we're gonna listen to the dissection of Eve
By G22. Let's go. So this is a much awaited reaction for our female alphas, Filipino female alphas na G22. And this is their first album.
Yes, their first full length. It's an 8-track album. So, we're excited to listen to it. Napakinggan na namin yung first track. If you want to watch our reaction to Papa Palaban, click here to subscribe.
Ay,
subscribe.
Ganun na pala. So I hear these 8 tracks are written by the members themselves. So I can't wait to hear the second track.
Second track na tayo. Start with
Lakong Pake.
Lakong Pake.
This is their single.
Wala Kayong Pake.
Wow. Wala kang pake.
Kaming mga pabebe girls.
Kahit sino man kayo, walang makakapigil sa amin.
Uy, tama na yan.
Anong tama na? Okay, track number 2.
May flute ha.
May pa-flute
It's giving
siya.
Blackpink. Blackpink?
Actually, no. Where are we going, G22?
Ay, gusto ko bulong. Ganun din yung salita nila.
Ay, ang ganda ng flute.
Let's go!
Dance track.
Okay, okay.
Ay! May pagpas lang. Hoy, ang ganda nito! Parang Afrobeat siya.
So parang coming off after Papa Palaban, parang ano siya, mellow.
Mas mellow siya. Pero dance track pa rin siya.
Yeah.
Afrobeats yung dating. Also, bet ko yung lyrics ha. It's giving female alphas talaga.
Okay, rap, verse.
Ang lalim ng boses niya, no?
That's AJ.
Yun na. Uy. Ang ganda ng
Ang ganda nun na, ano, parang,
Parang ano?
yung parang may,
May choir?
oh,
May boss lang. Bakit may pagpas lang?
okay.
Bet ko yan, yung chorus.
Pero medyo empty yung production.
Bet ko to, nung may
Ganun
beat
yung
na, no?
beat na ganyan.
Wala akong pake! Wala akong pake. Ito. Ay! May nabirit sa background ah.
Okay.
Ay!
Wow! It was written by EJ Yape herself. Siya lang mag-isa.
Siya lang yung writer! So, is he the Pablo?
What can you say about the track?
Me, bet ko siya lyrically kasi parang nako-continue niya yung theme na female alpha sila. Kasi sa Palaban, sa lyrics pa lang, di ba? Palaban sila. Tapos dito parang wala sila ng pakinaman sa haters. Parang bet ko yung mga lyrics and bet ko dito yung parang Afrobeat vibes sa chorus. Kasi hindi pa mahilig tayo sa Afrobeats as a Tyla stance. So, okay siya pero coming after Papa Palaban, it's hard not to compare it to Papa Palaban.
Yeah.
Pero parang lower yung energy a bit.
Yeah, totoo. And sobrang though minimalistic yung approach niya sa production, I didn't like where it didn't go anywhere. Kasi yung production, it kind of felt flat for me. Wala masyadong standout parts, to say the least. And, ayun, there's nothing to say kasi wala naman masyadong nangyari apart from their attitude dito. They really
Wala sila.
don't care about haters. And, ayun, I think it's a track we've kind of heard before. So for every track we rated, fail, soft fail,
Soft pass, pass, and
excellent! So for Lakong Pake, I'll give this, I don't care about it. I'll give it a soft fail.
Oh my God!
Yeah.
Soft fail.
Yeah, kasi maganda yung beat, maganda yung, andito na yung ingredients eh. Ang kulang na sa kanya, it's bland.
Gets. Parang hindi masyadong naitimpla.
Yeah.
Ako naman, I would give it a soft pass.
Soft pass.
I'll be kinder. I'll be kind. Kasi ako, mahilig talaga ako sa Afrobeats na song. And I like the lyrics naman. Although I would say it's not as memorable as Papa Pamalaban, but it's an okay track. So let's listen to
The next track. Okay, let's be surprised.
this track is called
Groove On!
Oh my gosh. Is it a 90s R&B track?
Oo nga, no?
Parang 90s, no?
Wala akong maintindihan sa English nila.
Pero ba't ko yung production nito? I like it. Also, yung harmonies, okay siya. Pre-chorus ba to? No?
Siguro, oo.
Ayun na. Chorus.
Ay, ba't ko yung nagpa-whisper? Okay. Y2K
Para siyang
siya.
problem, no? Yung structure. Kasi yung pabulong yung chorus.
Hindi Tagalog.
Ay, ang ganda ng boses. Pause siya. Pero parang ang haba ng pre-chorus.
Totoo.
Dapat... Ang underwhelming...
Totoo nga. Ang flat.
Parang ang underwhelming ng chorus.
Yung production stays the same eh.
Oo. Dapat iniba sa chorus, no?
Or may stop, parang...
Para alam na chorus na.
Okay, I like the bridge.
Di ko talaga gusto tong pre-chorus.
Pero, okay. The beat's getting into me. Oo nga, ang haba. Gets.
Dapat parang isang line lang. Isang...
Gets.
Gets mo?
Yeah.
Hindi na inul. Tapos meron pang... May ganyan pa.
Dapat, ano na post-chorus na yun, no?
Dapat chorus na agad.
Post-chorus na lang. Because you groove on. You better get you. Dapat din, oo nga, no?
Kasi, yung pre-chorus parang, na-imagine ko siya, parang may dalawa siyang bar. Gets mo?
Gets.
Parang inulit niya yung first bar, tapos after nun niya parang,
Mula
you
pa siya.
better get your groove on. Tapos dapat chorus na yung sunod eh, pero may dinagdag sila na additional dialogue.
Yeah.
Tapos bigla nag-chorus.
Chorus.
Parang
So,
ang haba masyado.
Tapos parang there's pares lang sila.
Oo nga, yun nga eh.
Wala masyadong difference between the pre-chorus and chorus. So anyways, let's see kung ano pang...
Oo nga. Medyo unmemorable tong song.
Okay. Okay. I'll clap pa rin. Kasi I really like the genre ng song. It's 2000s influence and I'm a 2000s baby. But pag maririnig ko to, parang step up. Parang maaalis siya sa step up. But that's the only thing.
Oo, totoo na parang siyang 90s kasi ang nai-imagine ko, parang siguro nag-inspiration niya yung album ni Tate McRae na early 2000s din. Para siyang reminiscent ng R&B pop songs nung late 90s, early 2000s. Pero hindi ko talaga bet yung pre-chorus. Parang masyado siyang mahaba tapos hindi siya masyadong naging different sa chorus. Kaya nung dumating yung chorus, medyo underwhelming for me yung dating. Kasi ang dami extra lines sa pre-chorus.
Within the last two songs na napakinggan natin, wala masyadong impact yung everything. And ayun, sad to say, I'll give this a soft fail for me.
Ako din soft fail.
Oh.
The only thing I really liked about it were their harmonies for me. Yung harmonies and yung production siguro nung verses. Pero yung chorus, pre-chorus talaga yung pinaka-biggest problem I have. With this song, I really wanted to like it but I have to be honest.
Yeah.
So
Tell us guys what you think about this track down below. Nabetan nyo ba to?
Okay.
Ay, parang ulit
May ulan.
influence ng
may ulan effect.
Okay.
Okay. Starting off good.
Ang langas Okay, well.
Target. No. Okay. Ang sexy ng vocals in fairness. It's, hip-hop inspired din. Ay! Okay. Fierce yung rap. Tulala siya. Bakit?
No, I'm really thinking na parang mas bagay siya after, Pawapalaban.
Itong song na to.
Yeah, pero I'm digesting the
Sige.
lyrics.
Pakinggan natin. One thing I love yung attitude nila talaga consistent. Na confident sila sa lahat ng tracks. It's showing off their rap skills. Kasi binit sila nung una eh.
Ang bilis
Gulaw.
GG, good game mga patay gutom.
Daming game reference Confident. I like it. I wish they would have played with the vocals a bit more.
Di ba? Maging experimental sila man lang kahit paano.
Kasi inuulit yung mga chorus and verse eh. Dapat nilalaro nila. Ay!
Ang bilis!
Okay, Glock 9.
Ayun na nga! Alright.
Written by AJ din, no?
AJ Yape,
Darlene
Adrian Elmoladan,
and Joseph Marada. Familiar din.
Shoutout sa kanila.
So, track number 4 na tayo and that was Super Saiyan. What did you think?
Super sayang.
Ako, I loved the
Idea of it.
idea. Oo, hindi kasi na-appreciate ko yung rap parts. Kasi maganda yung lyrics na natutuwa ako basahin yung lyrics. And maganda yung delivery ng rap. Mabilis, but I felt like I felt like they could have parang challenge pa nila yung sarili nila na iba-ibahin yung pagkakanta nung chorus sa dulo.
Yeah, that's why I would say this is super sayang. Kasi masyadong, and apart from all those things you mentioned, parang masyado sila nag-rely sa pagiging matapang nila. Like for songs, wala pa masyadong variety of themes na, ayun, the dissection of Eve is may haters, Eve is matapang, ayun, Eve is palaban. Ayun, parang 4 songs in, I'm really not as excited as I should be. Parang, okay, what's the next track? Maybe it's about palaban na naman, it's about their haters na naman. And I would really like this one to come after Pawapalaban because the two are so different from each other. Para kasi, eto pa rin, may energy pa rin siya. Sayang lang siya nung nalagay siya sa top 4 kasi medyo underwhelming nga yung first two. So,
Side
siguro kung nilagay siya after ng Pawapalaban, maybe alam mo yun, parang, ay, ang galing, ang bilis nila mag-rap dito.
Oo, ano.
Maybe, a better track listing mo. But, let's see, kasi meron pa tayong another 4 tracks. So, let's listen to the latter half of the album.
Ay, wait. Yung ibig sabihin ko kanina sa sala nilaro pa nila yung chorus. Like, sa mga part na may mga few, parang dapat naglagay sila mga mga ganun sound effects na ha 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 ha.
Ang minimalistic.
Ganon.
Yeah.
So, what would you rate this song?
I rate this song as, soft feel ulit.
With the soft fail. Kasi, pinarinig nila sa atin yung papapalaban Parang, nag-expect ako siguro na super.
Yeah. The only redeeming factor about this song is the rap. Magaling talaga sila mag-rap. Sobrang bilis din mag-rap.
A+ sa rap. Maganda yung rap.
Okay. Let's now listen to the latter half of the album.
Track number 5, it's Kung Ikaw at Ako.
Ganon.
Sana balad.
Kiak.
Oh my God!
Ayan na nga.
Nagbalad na nga yung mga bakla. Okay, I spoke too soon. Sana maganda yung chorus. Okay, pre-chorus. Chorus na ba to?
Oh, yan na yun.
Gusto ko magusto ha.
That's
May
right.
familiar yun.
Never mind.
That's right.
Kay Dennis Julia.
Never mind. Naka-writer si Dennis Julia.
Tagalog version, no? The Nevermind. Ay!
Bet yun.
That would be the perfect time na magpasok sila ng rapper. Ng sikat na rapper, no?
May feature.
Oo, have Abby, Shanty Dope, pasikatin nila ulit.
Gets.
Diba? Kasi parang, wala. Parang ang cute nun kung tatlong girls, tapos may isang male rapper.
Sige nga.
Diba?
Oh.
Diba? Kung lalaki yan. Pero this section of Eve kasi kaya gets.
Or female rapper.
Oo, ano?
Ano, dagdagan yung mga kulot-kulot, gano'n.
Atake!
Gano'n, may tinatawagan.
It's very Filipino culture. Ang ganda.
Init ba?
Okay, ako muna.
Sige.
Nagandaan ako dito sa Kung Ikaw at Ako because I'm a Kali Hip Hop. Mahilig ako sa mga ganitong tracks. Nakikita ko talaga siya dito. It would really help if there was a male feature, lalo na kung mga male rising artists. Just like what happened with Zach Tabudlo. Kasi Zach Tabudlo nun, parang nawala siya sa prime niya after nung second album niya But when he released Gusto with Al James, and Al James was super popular at that time, tapos,
Gusto na kita makasama hanggang sa...
akala ko gusto
Alam ko
ko,
yan.
ikaw ang gusto.
Ayun.
Akala ko yun yung kinata mo. Anyways, it would really help to make this song different kasi it really sounded bland Parang 5 songs in, everything sounds plain. But, I like this. Ikaw, anong sabi?
I really wanted to like it, pero again, yung sinabi ko kanina, feeling ko nakikita ko na yung problema with their songs. I feel like yung mga chorus, it's not hitting. Hindi siya sumushoot for me. Unlike yung Papalaban, LSS agad. Ito, chorus na. Parang, ewan ko kung sa production or sa melody, pero hindi ko ma-viban kasi, di ba, inabangan ko yung chorus. Tapos, chorus na pala, parang underwhelming ng melody.
Totoo.
Parang, ganun lang siya throughout. Wala siyang, dapat chorus, verse, chorus. Dapat ganun, chorus, bridge, ganun siya.
Everything has to be in sync para hindi mo siya mapansin, no? Parang if everything is perfect, hindi mo mapansin, ay parang lacking to.
Yun nga
So, ayun.
Ako, super hilig ko kasi sa R&B. Kaya akala ko ito na yung track na para sa akin.
Sample ng art. Wow! So, what's your rating?
Soft fail.
Soft fail ka? Ako, I'll give this a soft pass. Kasi, maganda naman siya.
I'm sorry, G22. I'm still a fan, pero ewan ko, baka mag-grow.
Oo. So, I really think sana maglagay sila ng male feature dito. Para at least sumikat sila kasi may potential tong kantang to rise up yung mga playlist ng Nevermind, ng mga para sa streets, ganyan, yung mga hip-hop na playlist. So anyways, next track.
Track number 6, Until When. Kinakaya ko pa.
Ay, sad!
Ayan na.
A mellow song after a
Ayan
mellow
na.
song, ha?
Ballad na. Sana ito na yung redeeming song.
Do you think I can hold
Ganda ng vocals, ha?
more that I feel?
Yeah.
I'm just hiding behind my pride.
Sabi
Parang Disney song, ha? Diba? Parang
Yeah.
kakantay ni Tatiana.
Paying the price
Parang Ariana Grande track.
Sabi ng Tagalog.
Hindi na kinakaya.
Cora! Wow.
kaya ako matitiis.
Sana yung chorus pasabog. Ayan na.
Ayun na yun.
Feeling ko yun na. Char.
Until when do you think I can?
Yan yung chorus. Na 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 na.
Ang expensive ng production. Parang yung orchestra.
Para siyang teleserye, opera show. Teleserye, opera show.
Sabi nung run, it's giving Moonlight, it's giving POV.
Ah,
Okay, bet ko yung bridge, instrumental lang siya. Ganda yung feeling niya.
ganon.
Ay! Oh.
Grabe, ang emotional vocals nila.
Kaya ko pa. Bubulongin. Ko pa.
Tung, tung, tung. SOS pala.
The subscriber cannot reach.
Kaya ko ba? I'm sure you love that track.
Guys, I love it! Hindi, I really love the production. Para siyang Disney song, ang atake para sa akin. Tapos, ang mellow nung production, parang may natugtog na orchestra. Tapos, ang classic nung vibe niya. Ang ganda. Bet ko yung production. Pero, I don't know if, may replay value for me. Gets ba? Like, hindi ko alam kung i-add ko sa playlist o papatugtog ko every other day.
O kung kailan mo siya papatugtog, no?
Oo, hindi ko alam kung anong vibe ko para patugtog siya. Pero, nagustuhan ko siya sa listen na to. I really appreciate it. Para akong napunta sa Disney movie.
Yeah. Yun din naman yung mako-comment ko. And I really love na nag-try sila ng something new. Nag-experiment talaga sila. And they really went out of their comfort zone. Apart from that, I would give this song a pass.
Ako din, it's a pass. It's a pass for me. Bonggang effort from G22.
Okay.
Track number 7.
The penultimate.
The track 7 is called
Ariana ka dyan.
First.
Wow!
Siza.
So the first 4 tracks are palaban, tas the last 4 is about love.
Gusto ko yung, audio siya. Parang galing talaga sa inumang usapan ha. Love is sacrifice!
I will always put you first.
Okay.
Even though I know it hurts, you have bullets for yours. I keep reaching through the...
Shit, ang ganda nung guitar bass. Yung bass line. Bass line?
Oo nga, no?
Narinig mo?
Ang niti ng bassline.
Ang funky. Wait, I like it. So far, parang ito yung melody na pinaka bet agad. ako.
Hey, give us something new. Okay.
Try to find
Ay,
a missing
ganda ng harmony.
Never turn around. Okay. Takes a toll, it's getting on that day for you. Lang ako. Okay. In fairness, maganda talaga vocals. Sabi, Whistle note. Ay, ang ganda ng production. May parang violins.
Para tayo na nililipad sa langit.
Don't have to scout that you do. It now. Ooh, oh.
Wow! Si Jason Marvin, no?
Ay,
Winner siya, ha?
Jason Marvin, Moira de la Torres, ex. Oh my gosh, Jason Marvin.
Maganda. I like it. And si Jess yung nagsulat naman.
Jasmine Montemayor.
Si Jess Henry. Na-member din ng Japanese.
Okay, can I say something?
Okay, what?
I feel like for the majority of these songs, parang nasisave sila ng production. Is that a bad thing to say? Kasi ang ganda ng production, yung last 3 tracks kasama to, I think it had better production than the first 4 tracks. Basta yung production, I feel like it saves a lot of these songs. Kasi ang super nagandaan ako sa production nito. Pero I think this song, paano ba? Parang mixed feelings ako. Parang I like it, I don't like it.
Yeah.
I think the production part yung pinaka-bet ko.
Ano nga, parang super bland ng everything. I think what would catapult G22 if they really became intentional with all of their melodies, with all of their tracks. Kasi parang I think all of them sound safe. No? Kasi parang I think anyone could do this song. I think what would catapult a group to success if hindi kaya magawa ng ibang group yung song na ito. Like Papalaban. Wala akong may isip na ibang group na kayang kumanta ng Papalaban apart from G22. So, I know these are just B-sides, but alam mo yun, pwedeng dito manggaling yung nila, hit eh. So, ayun, sayang tong first. It has a lot of potential and has a lot of good parts, but at the end, it all just parang ganun lang siya. Parang nag-flatline lang siya for me. It didn't go anywhere pa rin. So, what would you rate it?
I think soft pass.
Soft pass?
Yeah, the production saved it.
Ako din. I have to agree. Ang ganda ng mga pinasok nilang boses. Ang ganda ng pinasok nilang mga dialogues. It made it really personal. Let's now listen to the last track.
Last track!
Last
What do you
track
think?
to.
Is it gonna be a dance song or another slow song?
I think it's just a cappella.
Ako sana
naman,
naman,
talaga
upbeat
ako.
naman.
Sana din ma-showcase din talaga nila yung vocals nila. Kasi maganda sila
Oo,
mag-vocals.
sana pasabog yung last track. Yung title, papapapasabog.
It's Filipina Queen! Hey! Isa ba natin ito na mapakinggan?
Ako,
Let's go! Let's go! Oh!
it's giving drag race music.
Oo nga, no?
Parang ililipstick na mga drag queens natin. No, win na! Remix with Marina Summers?
Oo nga eh. Okay, mamaya i-dissect natin.
Sabi. Bet yun.
Wow!
Bet yun. Pina! Filipina! I like DNA. Okay.
Ang ganda, ganda nung tug, 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 tug. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Ganon.
I wouldn't doubt if this is also flip music, ah.
Gets ko, ba't siya nirelease na single? Ay! May G22 na lyrics, oh.
Wow! Dance break, dance break, dance break. Wait.
G22. Filipino. Ay! Sabi ng distortion.
Okay. Sayang, pero it's okay.
Sana dinagdagan din
Di ba? Parang Blackpink. Filipina, wera, amang Filipina.
Ah! Or nag-a-adlib na sila, no?
Yeah.
May mga ganun-ganun. Ay, Filipino! Ganon! Dapat may ganon. Ayan. Filipino! Sa AJ lang din writer.
Sa AJ lang din yung
parang
writer.
siya ang Pablo of the group.
Yeah.
No? Siya ang main
Pablo of
writer.
the group. I'm a Filipino winner!
May
Yeah.
ganon.
Yeah, alam mo, they really love branding. Kasi, naalala ko nung nirelease to, wala masyadong hit. Unlike, compared from Palaban. And I think, it would really help kung nag-invite sila ng other Filipina queens like Marina Summers, Diamante, si Michelle D na nambubugbog.
Michelle D, if you're watching, is it
Di
true?
ba? Filipina queen. Oo, parang sila ni Rian Ramos. Pero siya yung utos.
Allegedly, ha?
Okay, let's not speak while the
Investigation
trial.
is on.
Okay. But anyways, kasi parang ito yung same time na may Reyna eh. So parang I think it would really go well if they had collabs to really bring attention to the song. Pero yun lang yung thoughts ko nung pinapakinggan ko to. I think it would really work well if they had collaborations with multiple female artists na tapos 8 din sila. 8 din sila? Wala ba sabi? Anyways, ikaw.
For me, I really, really wanted to like it. Yung first half ng song, sobrang bad. But nung second half, nag-chorus na naman siya na walang bago. Alam mo yun?
Yeah. I'll give you a good example na sana ginawa nila ng Diba? Ganyan o. I'm a Filipina winner.
Oo nga, no?
Diba? Ganyan. I'm a Filipina winner. Ganon. But anyways.
For this song, I really feel like, and for a lot of these songs actually, they're afraid of taking risks. They lack experimenting with their music. Because a lot of the songs sounds a bit generic. Yung sinabi mo nga na these songs could be sung by
Anyone.
artist. Walang G22 stamp. And I expected a lot from this album. I really wanted to like it dahil sobrang bet ko yung Palaban! But unfortunately, for this song, Filipina Queen, I think Filipina Princess pa lang siya.
Oh.
It's half cooked for me. But I really appreciate, ano ba nagustuhan ko muna ng song na to? Siguro yung chorus.
Oo, maganda yung chorus.
Filipina! But I wish they would have played around with the last part. But, yun, ikaw.
Ako, yun talaga. I love this song. This songs is for me. These songs are for me kasi I really love, like parang Beyonce type of dito. Parang, go! I'm who run the world? Filipina
Girls.
Queens. Hindi lang, sa akin talaga yung ending. And I think, it's okay naman eh. Pero, they're really afraid to take risks. Sabi nga niya.
So what would you rate this song?
Ako, I rate this song as a pass.
Soft pass. Pass mo?
Ako, pass
Soft
pa rin
pass
ako.
ako.
Okay.
So guys, that was our reaction to the dissection of it.
They were afraid to take risk eh. Parang I think, Papa Palaban was just a front. Sorry. G22. But, yun, ewan. I think they really lack branding din siguro. Kasi, the last album that we heard is Alamat and they really know who they are. Alam nila magaling sila sa vocal harmony, magaling sila sa stacking, and R&B ang sound nila. But G22, I think, wala pa akong nakikitang identity nila across all the 8 tracks na masasabi kong G22 track to. Apart from the
Agree.
magandang rap ni AJ Yape, which is very commendable. Ang galing-galing ni AJ Yape. And siya mostly nagsulat na to. And the other members.
I think I got heartbroken. Kasi I really wanted to love this album. Super taas na standard na sinet na papapapalaban. But I was continually not disappointed pero underwhelmed with their music. Parang half-baked karamihan. I feel like yun yan, they lack branding because hindi nila na push ng sobrang-sobrang yung papalaban na na attitude sa production, sa lyrics, sa song, sa melodies. And I feel like, I think for a debut album, okay siya na EP muna. Okay siya na starting point. I think mag-evolve lang naman ang mag-evolve yung music nila. Hopefully with their next releases, they would improve their sound and talagang lagyan nila ng tatak G22.
So, ito yung ratings namin sa each track of the album. At tell us your favorite track down below, tsaka ano yung mga rating mo for each.
So that was our reaction to the dissection of Eve by G22. What did you think? Did you agree with our comments? Tell us in the comment section down below.
And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
At huwag kalimutang
we are Filipino winners.
Queens.
The Filipina,
Filipino
Queens, Filipino winners.
Yes.
Ayun.
And don't forget to still support
Oo.
G22. Just because we didn't like it on first listen, guys, it doesn't mean na hindi na namin magugustuhan in the
Yeah.
future. Kasi malay nyo, after a few listens, mag-grow sa amin yung song. So,
Yeah.
still support P-pop, still support G22.
And this is constructive criticism because we
Yes,
really love G22.
super.
And G22 loves us. Binanggit nila tayo queer. So, ayun. We love you, G22. And I hope na patuloy pa rin sila sumikat and patuloy pa rin sila mag-release na mga kanta. But anyways, papakinggan pa namin tong EP na to and ayun.
Bye!
Ay! Ano yun? Nabitin ako.
Burn
Nakakabitin nga siya. So proud of women finally owning up to their sexuality, their body, yari yari. Hey guys! Welcome